Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to open Samsung TV service menu factory settings. Remember, these settings are not present in normal menu. This video features Samsung UA40K 5000 model. First step is to put your TV in standby position. Next you have to enter a secret code from your remote without any pause, that is info, menu, mute and power key. This will power on your TV in service menu. Here you can do many special settings which are not available in normal menu, like factory reset and many more. This code will work in maximum Samsung models. I have personally checked it. Also, if this code doesn't work, give your TV model number in comment. I will give you the code and also share a video link in this video description having 08 different codes of all Samsung TV. Hope you have enjoyed the video. Leave a like and do subscribe our channel for more informative videos. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.